Hello! Tonight, this evening, I'm going to be making a video on what I think are my favourite YouTube videos that I've ever uploaded. But first, we're going to have a little drink, a toast. And cheers, big ears! Now, this angle is difficult to do that in, as you can probably imagine. Anyway, let's have a look what I think are my favourite five videos.
Well, here's the first of the 5 videos, in no particular order. This is one I made about Winter King, and I believe it's the first video that I uploaded to YouTube, so let's let it roll for a little bit.
Hello everybody, it's the 5th of January 2015 and welcome to Essex, United Kingdom. Now I'm here to introduce a variety named Winter King. A variety of which I obtained from Mr. Stephen Hayes from Fruitwise. You may wish to check out his channel. Very, very informative indeed.
Just put that on mute and we'll keep that rolling. So, yeah, I like this video because, you know, it's one of the first videos that I uploaded, and also the variety, apple variety Winter King, I'm very fond of. And if you've been watching my videos over the years, you've probably seen this tree slowly grow into what is now quite a nice productive specimen. So very happy. And I also remember when I got one of my first comments from Vinny the fruit nut, on this video, and it really got me going to keep to continue making videos, because I didn't know where this was going to, whether anyone was going to be interested in this. And to this day I'm still flattered when anyone views and comments on my videos. I mean, you can see how I made the video. I got the grafted tree that I grafted myself here. I turned a dustbin, it's grown in a pot. I turned a dustbin upside down and mounted it on that, and that was the video. Right, so here's another one. Let's let this roll.
Hello everybody, it's the 9th of August 2015. It's Dan here from Essex, United Kingdom. Now, having a great day today. It's around 20 degrees already. And it's
looking very fresh-faced.
Going to get up to around 27 degrees today. Had some, mixed weather this year. The majority of June was good. Early July was very warm indeed.
Let me just pause it there. So this video here, this was one of the videos where I showcased growing watermelons here in the UK, and Duddy squash, bottle gourds as well. The flowers there, look. And I remember making this video. I really, wanted to get this out there. That there you go. See that watermelon down there? There you go, see that, look, I really wanted to get this out there, that it's indeed possible to grow these lovely things here in the UK, with a bit of planning and a bit of luck as well with the weather and stuff and microclimates. It's got to be said. But I really do, feel that this is one of the most informative videos that I've put up, and, it could be a door opener for some people. It was for me to see just what is possible here in the UK with what I described earlier. Now here you go, how to support container grown watermelons.
Hello everybody, it's Dan here, the 10th of August 2015. Welcome to Essex, United Kingdom. Now, as you know, I'm growing these watermelons in these pots, 30-litre pots they are, and the watermelons are starting to grow quite well. So they're starting to sort of bulk up. I'm quite happy. You can see how big they are. Obviously nowhere near full grown, but they are nonetheless getting bigger. Now, what I want to do is
Okay, now this video is sitting at 74,924 views, which I'm very grateful for. And this, along with, I think, the other videos that I've shown, are simply, basically just, simple videos filmed on that little smartphone I spoke about that I got off of Amazon. Now this video here, look at that face, look, isn't that one of brilliance?
Okay, so today you're in the polytunnel with Dan, and as you know, I'm very much into container growing at the moment. I want to help people grow things in containers, and some absolutely fantastic stuff can be grown within containers, because many people think because they don't have a large garden, or indeed maybe just have a small courtyard garden, or even just a balcony, you can grow some great stuff in some containers, and I thought I'd show you some of the things that I'm going to do.
Okay, so how to grow hydrangeas in containers and pots. This is one of my, favourite videos. And reason for this is because I've had some lovely comments from people that have seen this video from countries, from the UK, I believe, and also other countries, people that are growing these, in pots on balconies. They might live in a city or something like that where they've got no, open ground, so to speak, but they have got a balcony, and they've started to grow hydrangeas in containers and pots from seeing this video that it is indeed possible, and that was really, really nice for me. And also, it's got to be said that the video is very well filmed and edited, not by me, because as you know, I'm hopeless at that, but my friend Dan, Sharkman Dan, I'll link his channel down below. He's very, very clever at his video editing and technology and all that sort of thing. And later on in the video, this is all shot from multiple angles and things like that. Like that one. See there, look? Probably gone now. Anyway, there you go. Stuff. There you go. Look at that. Look, that was a camera that he mounted on the side. There's his shoes, look, or something. Mounted on the side of the polytunnel. Stuff that I haven't got a clue how to do with all this multiple camera angles and that sort of stuff. So that's that video, how to grow hydrangeas in containers and pots. Right, so this video here, Husqvarna 365X Talk review. Now this was a video I made. Once again, Dan filmed and edited this totally well out of my skill level of editing.
Chopping wood today because we want to get ready for next winter. Spring is well underway here. The weather's getting warmer. A few more fires to do, but yet preparation for the following season is required. We've got silver birch, we've got a bit of oak, a bit of home oak, got some laurel, and some more laurel there, a bit of willow here. Where's my axe?
All of this with the music and the way that he chopped and spliced all of these clips, and there he is there, look, see? The way that he chopped and spliced all of this, it's so clever, and, would have taken me hours to have done all this, even if it's even in my capability, which it's probably not, so we'll let it roll for a bit. Just the way that he, managed do all this music editing and all that jazz, and there's just so much with regards to learning from what he knew and everything. But so they're my 5 favourite videos at the moment. Of course there are many others. We'll stop it there, don't need to see all that, do we? So as I look over those videos and the 5 or so years I think that I've been doing YouTube, this is all part of my sort of encouraging other people, if they want to start their own YouTube channel, because
all right, I've had a small level of success on YouTube. In the big scheme of things, on gardening or whatever region, it's minuscule and insignificant. But those of you I didn't expect to get 100 views. I was surprised when anyone was interested in anything that I posted, and I still am, to be honest. As I said, when I get a comment, I still find it hard to believe, even like 5 or so years later. So if you start uploading videos, you might be as shocked as I was and still am, really, with regards to videos that I put up. So who knows, in 5 or so years, ouch, it's hot, good grief, in 5 or so years time, you might be making your own video of your 5 favourite videos over the last 5 years, and still be in a state of disbelief as I am. So anyway, there we go. I'm going to splice this video together. And if you like Dan's work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe as normal. And please feel free to check out Dan on Instagram, Dan_Home Gardens. And hope you're having a nice evening. Take care. And we'll speak soon. Oh, yes, I don't know if I mentioned it. It's got to be said. Now, some of them videos, I think I did mention it. Not the ones that Sharkman Dan edited. Make sure you check his stuff out, okay? I'm going to put his channel link down below, and I'm going to link all these videos as well. I filmed a lot of these on that little camera I spoke about that cost a very minimal amount for a smartphone, which was actually reasonable quality. I mean, you saw the quality of the pictures, the videos there. They're perfectly good enough for the purposes I needed. So yeah, see you later.